My meteorologist, Tommy House. So if esports had been like a class when you were in college, would you have wanted to take it?
I probably wouldn't have been good at it, but it would have been interesting. How about you?
I think it'd be a good starting point. I don't know that you want to necessarily spend your tuition, in my case, on like a video game class, but if you could make it a career, I understand why pursuing it in college makes sense.
Yeah, I had a bunch of those filler credits I had to take in between, especially during COVID.
Yes.
I took a curling class.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It didn't actually come to fruition because not enough people signed up.
Oh, man.
It would have been interesting. Yeah.
That would have been interesting.
Yeah. And speaking of gaming, I know the afternoon is so hot and humid, you have to spend your indoor time definitely on the couch with the AC blasting. Clouds and radar right now, we're dry, dealing with a little bit of humidity at this moment, but a few light showers, even some thunderstorms on the immediate coastline and some sprinkles toward the panhandle. But down the I-35 corridor, Dallas to San Antonio, we are just having some low-level clouds and no rain through the morning. By lunchtime, 10% going from the 70s to the upper 80s with decreasing cloud cover. And then we'll see more clouds during the afternoon and evening from some showers, some downpours, even some rumbles of thunder, 30% rain chance with highs in the mid-90s. Now, east of Austin toward Milam, Lee, and Fayette, that's where we have the 30% rain chance, and then that drops off to 20 and then 10% out toward the hill country. So we've been in the same pattern and setup where we see these sea breeze showers and daytime downpours develop closer to Houston, Corpus Christi, and they try to push their way closer to central Texas between around 2, 3, and 4 o'clock. So by 5:30, drive home from work could see some rumbles of thunder and Bastrop to Caldwell, and then Fayette, Lee County around 7, 8 o'clock, and then we'll wind down and clear out for the most part. And then by Friday, tomorrow, we have just a 10% rain chance. So it goes from 30 to 10 and then should be dry through most, if not all, of the weekend. Here are highs for your Thursday, 95 in Austin. Winds coming in out of the southeast. Our normal high is 94, so it's another seasonable June-like day with our heat indices approaching the century mark when you factor in our dew points in the upper 60s and low 70s by the late afternoon. Could see some heat relief from some rain and some outflow boundaries, but we'll mostly be staying on the warm to hot side. Your 3-day forecast going from 95 to 97 by Saturday, mostly sunny skies for the weekend. We had a 10% rain chance for the second half of the weekend, but I'm dropping that. We have this strong high pressure that's going to build in from the Gulf. And then at the upper levels, we'll have a clockwise flow delivering some humidity and some warmth. This means on my 7-day, I have a 100-degree day on Wednesday. How about 99 on Monday and Tuesday? So we could see multiple triple-digit days. We've had 2 so far this year, and we've had none through the entire month of June. Both of those days, considering we should be having at least 1 or 2 during the month of June, it's been overall a pleasant stretch of weather there. With our rain chance dropping from 30% to 10% on Friday and then drying out through the weekend, entering next work week, and even the 10% next week could get dropped to 0 because of that high pressure that I showed you. Rain totals through the next 7. Higher totals south and east of Austin toward Fayette. That drops off west out toward the big country. And then we also will be talking about some Saharan dust moving in. That high is going to funnel in some hazy skies next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, dropping visibility and even delivering a vibrant sunrise or sunset. All right, here's your 7-day forecast from the mid to upper 90s with a widely scattered shower or storm this afternoon.